Today I will explain about fungsi linear. Definition of a linear function. The definition of a linear function is a relationship that pairs its member in set A with another member in set B. All member in set A must be paired with member in set B. This linear function is also called the equation of a straight line, or PGL. As stated previously, functions in the world of mathematics are closely related to the element that form them, namely variable, coefficient, and constants. So, a linear function is a function that forms a graph in straight line. This linear function is also the function that has obtained the highest power with a variable equal to 1. Linear function formula. The general form of a linear function is as follows: fx per x equal mx plus c, or can also be fx equal mx plus c, or can also be y equal mx plus c. Information: m is gradient or slope, c is constant. This linear function will not be far from graphical description, so when you have to do it, you have to pay attention to the following steps. First, determine the intersection point with the x-axis, then y equals 0. Obtain from coordinate A is x1 and 0. Determine the intersection point with the y-axis, then x equals 0. Obtain from coordinate B is 0 and y1. Third, connecting two points A and B will form a straight line. A line equation which is then write as y equal ax plus b. If b has a positive value, then the linear function will be drawn from the bottom left to the top right. If b negative, the linear function will be drawn from the top left to the bottom right. 6. If b is 0, then the linear function will be drawn by a line parallel to the flat x-axis. In this function, there are several components, namely, first, a variable quantity, whose value can change in problem. Variable can be defined into two, namely, independent variable and dependent variable. Independent variable are variables that explain other variables, while the dependent variable is the variable that is explained by the independent variable. Constant, namely number or figure that form function but are not related to a variable. Third, coefficient, namely number of numbers that help form a function and are related to a variable in the function in question. Returning to the discussion of linear function, there exists a function that has highest power of the independent variable, which one the general form is y equal ax plus b. Information: y is dependent variable, x is independent variable, a is coefficient, b and b constant. Is the general form, namely y equal ax plus b, is stated that y is a function of x. This means that the size of the x value will affect the size of the y value. Example of linear function question. There is a linear function that is f(x) 6x plus b. Determine the form of the function if it is known that f(4) sama dengan p. Solution is f(x) sama dengan 6x plus b. f(x) is 4. Six 4 plus b salah. f(4) equal 6 by 4 plus b equal x. X equal 6 by 4 plus b. B equal 6 by 4 is 20. X B equal minus 11. f(x) equal 4x minus 16. f(4) equal 6 by 4 plus b equal x. X equal 6 by 4 plus b. B equal 6 by 4 is 20. X B equal minus 11. f(x) equal 4x minus 16. f(4) equal 6 by 4 plus b equal x. X equal 6 by 4 plus b. B equal 6 by 4 is 20. X B equal minus 11.
優しい日だまりにチャイムがディレイする
頬を撫でる風息吹は深くなってく遠回りの涙名前つけた明日重なる未来色のラインあどけないこんな気持ちも弾け飛ぶほど笑い合えた日も大切に育てていけるように途切れ途切れの時を越えてたくさんの初めてをくれたつながってゆけ届け君の背中密かなささやき触れたことのない想いの中僕の中の君と君の中の